Here's a new Karmatech keyless RV remote lock. Got two key fobs. Let's see how this thing works. It says 10-minute easy installation. 10-digit keypad. You can lock the deadbolt and the handle from the inside. Pretty cool. See how it works. The installation was pretty easy, and it probably would have only taken about 5 minutes, but I had to file the little slot in the door where the screw for the striker comes through. Only about half the hole was showing, but I had my chainsaw file set with me, and it only took me just a minute to file it open. But other than that, it went pretty smooth. Well, there you have it. She is installed. Nice quality handle on it. Keypad seems pretty decent. Not sure about the plastic. It might start fading over time. But here's the remote. She's locked. And she's unlocked. A little windy out there. Probably hard to hear. Let's see if she's... I see it on the inside. Check that out. Pretty nifty.